Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today topic is packing fraction. Packing fraction means how many space atoms occupy in one unit cell. So this is topic from class +2, class 12th, subject chemistry, and topic is packing fraction. So first, packing fraction is space occupied by an atom in a given unit cell is called packing fraction. Now next, numerical formula of packing fraction. Packing fraction is equals to volume of sphere upon volume of cube. Now you know that here volume of sphere is equals to 4/3 pi r cube and volume of cube is edge represented by a, and so on, this is a cube. Now first we will find the packing fraction for simple cubic unit cell. And another thing, if we find the percentage of packing fraction, then volume of sphere upon volume of cube multiply with 100. So this is the percentage of packing fraction. Now first we will discuss percentage of packing fraction in simple cubic unit cell. So you know that in simple cubic unit cell total number of atoms is equals to 1. If you know how many atoms in unit cell, simple cubic unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell and body centered cubic unit, it's a video, last 2 videos, so you can see these videos. So now here total number of atom is 1 and atom plays at corner. Okay, so percentage of packing fraction is equals to volume of sphere 4/3 pi r cube upon volume of cube, that is a cube. Now you see that if this is the edge of square or cube, so atom is present as like this. So this distance is a edge length and it is a radius of these two spheres. So r plus r is equals to a can be written as a is equals to 2r. So we will write here 4/3 pi r cube upon 2r cube. Now simplify this. So we will get here 4/3 pi r cube upon 8r cube. R cube is cancelled out. So we will get in which here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it will be 6 into 100 is a packing fraction. If you simplify this, so we will get here 52.4%. This is the packing fraction of simple cubic unit cell. Now next is face centered cubic unit cell. Second is percentage of packing fraction in face centered cubic unit cell. So in this you can see that atoms are present at corner and as well as in face centered. You can see that this cube, now face centered is this and this atom plays at this corners, and At corners, atom will be present at 1 because 1/8 part of present in each corner, and face center at present is 3 atoms. So total number of atoms in face center cubic unit cell is equals to 4 atoms. So volume of sphere is equals to why we consider a sphere? Because atom is like a sphere. So volume of sphere 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Why 4? Because 4 atoms are present. So volume of sphere is equals to 16 upon 3 pi r cube. Now volume of cube, so first we will find the edge. So volume of sphere is get, now you can consider ABC triangle. So in here, in triangle ABC, using a Pythagoras theorem, AB is hypotenuse is equals to BC square plus AC square. Now AB square is equals to A square plus A square because BC and AC is the edge of cube, and AB is, you can see that here, this one is AB, and if we here AB, now one atom present at center and one other 2 atoms present at corner. So in which here is radius is r, radius r, radius r, and this one is r. So we can say that r plus r plus r plus r is equals to AB. So 4 times r, so we will write here 4 times r square is equals to 2a square. So 4 4 is 16, r square is equals to 2a square. So r we will find in which from value of a. So a is equals to 16 r square upon 2. Now 2 8 is 16, so we will get here in which root, because here is square, so it is 8 r square. So we will get 2 root 2 r. So this is the value of a. So volume of cube is equals to 2 root 2 r. Now we will get here 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 root 2 r cube. Now we will find the percentage of packing fraction. So in which here volume of sphere, so what will be the volume of sphere? 16 upon 3 pi r cube. Now put this value in this, 16 upon 3 pi r cube upon volume of cube is 16 root 2 r cube. So r cube is cancelled, 16 is cancelled, so we will get here pi upon 3 root t 2 into 100. So we'll simplify this, so we will get here 74%. So you can say that packing fraction of face centered cubic unit cell is 74%. Now next, third and last topic, how many space occupy atoms in body centered cubic unit cell? So you know that body centered cubic unit cell in which one atom is present at corners, 8 corners, and one atom is present at center, body center. So total number of atoms are 2. So we will write here total number of atoms are 2. Now volume of sphere is equals to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we will get here 8 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we will find the value of a. So if we will find this one, and this is a, b, c, and this part is d. So in triangle ABC, using the Pythagoras theorem, we'll write here a AB square, that is hypotenuse, is equals to BC square plus CA square. So AB is equals to root A square plus A square is equals to 2A square. Now value of AB is root 2A. So we will write here AB is 2 root A. Now let a triangle ABD. You can see a diagram ABD in which hypotenuse is BD. So BD square is equals to AB square plus AD square. Now BD we will find here BD square. You can see that here in which BD, if we will draw here BD, this is a full atom and this is like that atom. So again we will say that R square, that is 4R. So BD can be written as 4R square is equals to AB. AB we will find here root 2A square plus AD is H is equals to 2A square plus A square. Now 4 4s are 16, R square is equals to 3A square. Now find the value of A is equals to root 16 R square upon 3. So we will get here 4R upon root 3. Now find the percentage of packing fraction is equals to volume. Volume is 8 upon 3 pi R cube upon volume of cube is 4R upon root 3 cube. So it is 8 upon 3 pi R cube upon 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64, R cube upon 3 root 3. So R cube is cancelled. Now further simplify. Here 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64. So we will get here pi upon 8 3s are. This one is multiply this and this one is multiply with this. Here 3 is cancelled out with 3. So we will get here root 3 pi upon 8 into 100, that is a percentage. Now if you solve these, so we will get here 68%. So you can see that packing fraction of body center cubic unit cell is 68% and packing fraction of face center cubic unit cell is 74% and packing fraction of similar simple cubic unit cell is 52. So largest space occupied in face center cubic unit cell. Now I hope you have to clear this concept and you understood the video. If any topic you want to video, so please comment in comments. Thank you.